Hello, today what I'm sharing is the Black Orca Smoky Hut Double Tent. This one here, as you see, does not have a floor because it's meant to actually put a wood stove in it to add heat and become a heated tent. This teepee is 10.4 feet in diameter and also 5.2 feet in height. Gives a lot of room in there, really, for two people to sleep, and especially if you have a stove in there, you can have your gear in there, and one person, it'd be very roomy. So this design is great for that. If you want two people in a stove, it may get crowded. I have not tried it yet. It's according on the size of your stove and so on. But very versatile. The center pole, it's aluminum. You can put it together and just stick it in there. But you can also use a tripod or hang this from a branch from up here. This here is the strap that you can hang it from, right here. And also it has vents here. It has a vent on this side and on the other side with netting as well. YKK zippers that are waterproofed. They come together here, and all the seams are sealed for waterproof protection. This here is rated for 3,000 millimeter waterproof protection, and it is a 20D silicone coated nylon fabric. So this here is where you're going to put a stove jack and put your chimney up through. Now this is nylon, and you have to take care with sparks around nylon. Using a stove in this, there's definitely potential of getting burn holes. So take care in your setup, and also use spark arresters. I've seen many styles of these, and people have not been complaining that I've heard about, sparks and such and burn holes. It must be their setup. So that was the only concern I had, it being nylon, but many people use them and love them. They love that they're so lightweight. This one here is 51 ounces. So this here is Velcroed, and I'm going to take my time. And I'm not just going to rip this off. I'm going to take my time. This is meant to come up like this, and then I can roll it. And it has a hook and loop type of setup here that I can hold this up. Like that. Now you would fit a stove jack in here and put your stovepipe up through. So having a heated tent, especially in cold weather, anyone that's actually ever tried one, is a really good feeling, and definitely a lightweight version. Very cool. Also features these added tie-out points all the way around it, just to give you that much more room inside.